In this step-by-step video, I will show you how to change contact name in WhatsApp. So the step are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. First of all, after you open your phone, go and open your WhatsApp. After you open your WhatsApp, all you have to do now, go and search for the person that you want to change his contact name on your WhatsApp. So for me, let's say I want to change contact name of this person, let's say this one. So after you open the person, all you have to do now, tap on the person name at the top as you can see this one. So after you open the person name like this one, so tap on this three dot at the top right side. So tap on this edit button. So under this edit button, as you can see now it will allow you not to change the name. So now all you have to do now, go and change the name. So let's say I want to just add something beside the name. After you change the name, as you can see now here it says save to. So just make sure to choose the Gmail account that you use to save your phone numbers on it. So for me, I'll just go and select the Gmail account that I used to save this phone number. So after you select Gmail account, tap on this save button. So after you tap on this save button, as you can see now, it will not reflect or it will not take effect immediately. So you must just wait it like for 24 hours. So after 24 hours, if you come back now, if you can see the phone number or the contact name has changed. So that's it, guys. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.